Hi, friends. It's Miss Tati, and this is Alphabet Kids Preschool. We're at the farm today, and look, there's a barn. Let's see what's inside. Oh, wow, there's something way in the back. Oh, friends, it's the color green. 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 Let's look at some things around the house that are the color green. I have a giant green crayon. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, wow, it's this green vine. The leaves are growing all over it. Wow. Green grapes. So tasty. A green grasshopper. Green. Green celery. Green. A green frog. Green. Families, if your kiddo would like an activity to go with this lesson, feel free to click the link in the description to our free preschool community. You can find printables and book recommendations. Bye.